O9 Solutions is a premier company focused completely on supply chain management, planning, and optimization software. So we have very quick growing customer base. We have about 200 odd global huge customers: AT&T, T-Mobile, Nike, New Balance, Starbucks. All of these are our customers, and all of them use our products to figure out what products to make, when to make them, what quantity, where to store, where to ship, where to procure the raw material from. My role is to release quality products. My key responsibility is putting in agile software engineering practices across the board. One of the biggest challenges that I'm trying to solve is put in quality at scale. The platform that we have built is highly flexible and configurable. All these different customers in the same industries, they all have unique challenges. They're similar, but they're different, and the same platform can help solve these problems. The software is used by these large corporations to make critical business decisions. They would expect nothing less than making sure the performance of the software is excellent. We use OpenText Load Runner Cloud to ensure that our software is useful, usable, and reliable. I've been using Load Runner for over 25 years myself. So I already knew what the product was. It's a stable product, it's a mature product, and with the cloud version, I don't have to invest in any additional infrastructure to generate the load. That made it very easy for me to go with Load Runner. And we already had a few people trained and who were experts at it. We wanted to move very quickly, and this was the fastest way for us to get going. That's how we decided with Load Runner. OpenText Performance Cloud is the granddaddy of all the performance testing tools out there. OpenText Load Runner Cloud was the easiest solution in the sense that it took care of not having to take care of load generators on our own. My global team could use the same infrastructure, same tools, same scripts, same technology from anywhere in the world, and we could generate the load from wherever source that we wanted to. The implementation of Load Runner Cloud was very, very straightforward. It was a breeze. We were up and running within days. Across the board in performance testing, we probably have about 1,000 test cases created, maybe 500 to 600 using Load Runner Cloud. We've been super happy using TrueClient over the last year. We use TrueClient to actually create the HTTP web scripts. We generate the scripts in TrueClient and then convert it using the converter into HTTP web. What it allows us to do is make our maintenance of the scripts very simple. With TrueClient now, because we are able to move so quickly and have these scripts ready, we are able to catch these performance issues very early on in the cycle. The time it takes to create the script is literally 60-70% shorter than what we had to do early. We are able to release a lot more performant product. It increases our confidence as well as the confidence of our customers when they use the products. OpenText Load Runner Cloud is fantastic. It has so many features. That's a huge differentiator for Load Runner Cloud. The capabilities it has, I don't think there's any product out there that can come even close to it.